Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Honda Pilot maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here and just this button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and as you can see, the light right here, it's just turned off, but it says maintenance required. When you're not resetting it, and you turn on your car, it will turn off on you like that. But when you resetting it, it will stay on until when it stop. When it turns off, that's when you've done it. So let's try that again. Turn off your car and go ahead and press this button and hold it. Give me a second and turn on your car without starting, and you see that maintenance turns back on. Wait for it. When it turns off, we're done. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.